What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Traded a mid-cap stock, KRTX, had news on phase 2 trials. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this trade recap right here. Traded a mid-cap stock. Surprise, surprise. I've been trading a lot of small caps lately. I haven't traded any mid-caps, and with the exception of one SPY put option trade, I haven't really done much with options either. I really thought in November we were going to kick off some small caps and we were going to start to go to the moon like the stock Twitter say, but it just hasn't happened. Early November, like the first week in November, mid caps were extremely hot. I wasn't around and I missed all of that action. Then last week, it was just really hit and miss. It was like one runner here and there, but it was pretty hit and miss. And now today we have another mid cap to take off, and I took advantage of this one. So we're going to jump right on into that. But before I do that, do me a quick favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and let me get a drink of this cold water. Well, guys, so KRTX is what I traded today, and it was very simple. I had it on watch. My gap scanners here from Trade Ideas, it was the leading gapper this morning, up 83%. So, that was what I was watching. It had good volume, very small float, $9 million float, 9 million shares float in the float. So those are the Trade Idea scanners. If you don't have those and want to know more about them, link in the description section below has a coupon code as well in there for 15% off. And I'm going to keep an eye out for any promotions that they'll have this Black Friday time frame, and I will let you guys know about that as well. So those are Trade Idea scanners, and that's how I found KRTX this morning. So KRTX made this huge move. Okay, huge move. The low of day is 32.47 and the high of day is 64.99. I did not catch any of this. It didn't give me any clean pullbacks, so there was really nothing for me to buy safely. I thought to myself, we're going to get a pullback here on this wick. We might get a pullback down here to $40. And it would have been great had we done that. We get a pullback to $40, hold this VWAP area, get the 90 MA to cross over, get long there, $41, $42. You're going to risk $1 or $2 a share, and then you have a shot at $50. That's great. That would have been excellent. However, it didn't give us the clean pullback. It just kept going all the way up here to like 58.70, 58.50 area and got halted. Then it gapped down off the halt and just traded sideways here just underneath the halt price until this candle here. Right here, it broke through that halt price of like 58.70 and shot all the way up to 64.99. That's a real nice move. I was actually eyeing this, this move, but it went without me. It just simply went without me. I was expecting a deeper pullback off. Since we didn't gap up and we gapped down, I was expecting a deeper pullback, maybe down here to $50, $49, and then you could get long. But nope, it just kind of held this mid-range here and went. Then it pulled back finally on decrease in volume. I got long in here, and I do have this trade live for you, and sold all the way up into this test of $60. And then when it couldn't break $60 and the volume didn't increase, I sold out the rest right there. And I did catch a real decent little trade there. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't too bad at all. I'm flat now. As you can see, there's no positions open and it's testing $60 again. And if it doesn't break $60, I'm afraid it might actually pull back all the way down here to VWAP, which is what I thought was going to happen here and why I exited. Let me grab that live trade here for you. Here we go. Where is it? Okay, so here we go. Long 150 shares at 55.37 cost basis, and I will take some off right here in this same candle because I was up a real nice chunk there. Right there, I sold 50 shares right there at 57.20 from 54.45. That's not a bad take profit at all. Now I leave 100 shares, and my thought process here is we're holding this area. If we break $60, we should go to at least 64, if not, test the high day, which is 64.99. in from 55.37, take some profit off up there in 64 on 100 shares, you're talking about almost a $900,000 trade with just 100 shares. That's a no-brainer. I had to take this trade. So that's what I wanted. However, the trade had other plans. We'll fast forward here real quickly. Right here, we'll go up there to test 60 again. Watch. See, we test 60 there real quick. Right there, we test $60. Right there. I'm up, as you can see, $426 on 100 shares. I'm up well over $4 a share. But there's a problem. We tested $60, no increase at all in the volume. Look at the volume. There's nothing there. It's drying up completely. That means no shorts are covering. There's not a lot of longs jumping in there. It's just, there's no volume. So that concerned me. When I saw that, and we tapped that 60, pull it back in, there's no volume, I saw another 50 shares. So I had 150 shares, and I'm selling in 50 share lots. So I saw another 50 shares right there. Right there. See, we test it. Don't break. No increase in volume at all. So I get rid of 50 shares right there at 58.32 from 55.37. That's almost $3 a share. That's like $2.89, $2.90 something a share. So I'm like, okay, well, I still have 50 shares. If it does decide to break $60 and make that move, you know, that's still almost $10 a share. That's still a $500 trade. So I'm going to easily make $400 on these last 50 shares. But look at the volume. There's no volume increase. We're testing that $60 area and we're not breaking through. We're hitting 59 and getting slammed back down. Now again here, this one doesn't break through 60. I'm thinking I'm holding my stop at break even. But if I see another $60 test, no increase in volume, I will exit the trade earlier because I think that I'm going early because I think that we're going to break down and come all the way back down to VWAP. So right here on this candle, when we pop back up there a little bit and nothing happens, no increase in volume. Look at the volume, no increase in volume, tapping that $60 area, zero increase in volume. I exit those last 50 shares. Right there, I cancel my hard stop and I get ready to exit the last 50. I exit them right there. And that exit was 57.15. 57.15 from 55.35. So still nice overall green trade, a little over $300 on the green trade. And that's it. You know, that was all she wrote. Let's see what she's doing right now. Look, she's testing this $60 area. It'd be very interesting to see what happens here. There is no increase in volume here. It could break over 60. But to me, it's testing that resistance point on no volume. Chances to me are more often than not it'll fail. I could, you know, it could go. I've seen it happen. We've all seen it happen. But usually it doesn't. Let's see what it does. It's tested $60 here. It's tested $60 here now. So it's either going to break or pull it back in now. Here it is testing it again. 59.78. We had some 59.80s go off. It's trying to break that $60 wall. There it is. It breaks 60. There you go. 61. It's holding that 9 EMA real well. Yeah, 61's back on the ask. There goes 61.90. Well, that sucks. But it is what it is. Can't be too mad about it. Still a green trade. Still a green trade. Let me know how you did today. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.